Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest innovations in military tech. The Otokar Cobra is a highly versatile and widely used armored vehicle developed by Otokar, a leading Turkish defense company. The Cobra armored vehicle features a 4x4 configuration, providing it with enhanced maneuverability and off-road capability. Its design incorporates a monocoque steel hull, which offers protection against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs, ensuring the safety of the occupants in combat and high-threat environments. The Abrams M1A2 is a third-generation main battle tank that is currently the primary tank of the United States Army and several other countries. It is an upgraded variant of the M1A2 Abrams, and it has been in service since the mid-1990s. The tank was designed and manufactured by General Dynamics Land Systems, and it is considered one of the most advanced and capable tanks in the world. The tank also has a nuclear, biological, and chemical protection system, which provides the crew with protection against all kinds of hazardous materials. The BTR-4 Bucephalus is a wheeled armored personnel carrier that was designed and manufactured by the Ukrainian defense company Kharkiv-Morozov Machine Building Design Bureau. The vehicle was named after Bucephalus, the legendary horse of Alexander the Great, and it has been in service with the Ukrainian Armed Forces since 2014. One of the key features of the BTR-4 Bucephalus is its amphibious capability. The vehicle is able to travel in water at a speed of up to 10 kilometers per hour, which makes it a valuable asset in amphibious operations. Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish-made unmanned aerial vehicle or drone developed by Baykar Makina, a Turkish defense company. It has gained recognition and popularity, with over 100 units produced and exported to various countries around the world. It gained significant attention after its successful use in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan in 2020. In addition, since 2022, Bayraktar has been effectively used by Ukraine to protect its territories from the Russian army. Boxer Remotely Controlled Howitzer, RCH-155, is a German-made 155mm towed howitzer developed by Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann. It is designed to provide highly accurate and effective indirect fire support to ground troops. It features a modular design that allows it to be easily transported by a range of vehicles, including trucks and helicopters. It has a range of up to 30 kilometers and can fire up to 6 rounds per minute. The howitzer is equipped with an advanced fire control system that includes a laser rangefinder, a digital battlefield management system, and a navigation system. Bayraktar Akinci is a larger and more advanced UAV compared to Bayraktar. It has a wingspan of 20 meters, making it the largest UAV ever produced in Turkey. One of the key features of the Bayraktar Akinci is its ability to carry a wide range of munitions, including air-to-ground missiles, bombs, and guided rockets. Additionally, the drone's advanced sensor suite and communication systems enable it to operate in contested airspace and to conduct a variety of missions, including intelligence gathering, surveillance, and strike missions. Bayraktar Kızılelma is the flagship project of the Turkish defense industry. It should become the basis of the naval aviation of the Turkish fleet. This is a jet supersonic stealthy deck-based unmanned aircraft that is being developed as part of the Muharip İnsansız Uçak Sistemi project by the Turkish defense company Baykar Makina. In January of this year, Bayraktar Kızılelma successfully completed its second test flight. It is known that Bayraktar Kızılelma plans to equip it with a Ukrainian-made engine. The JAS-39 Gripen is a lightweight single-engine multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the Swedish aerospace company Saab. One of the key features of the Gripen is its flexibility and ease of maintenance, which allows it to operate from short and unpaved runways. It also has a high level of operational readiness, with a quick turnaround time between missions. The Gripen has been widely praised for its cost-effectiveness and performance, making it a popular choice among countries with smaller defense budgets. The High Mobility Multi-Purpose Wheeled Vehicle, HMMWV, commonly known as the Humvee, is a versatile and iconic military vehicle that has been in service with the United States military since the 1980s. The HMMWV was developed to meet a wide range of mission requirements, including troop transport, cargo transport, reconnaissance, and weapons platform. Its design incorporates features that enable it to operate in various terrains and climates, making it suitable for diverse operational environments. The M1128 Stryker, a formidable wheeled armored fighting vehicle, represents a significant advancement in modern military technology. Developed by General Dynamics Land Systems, this versatile combat platform combines mobility, firepower, and advanced capabilities to meet the demands of a rapidly changing battlefield. Equipped with a powerful 105mm M68A1E4 rifled cannon, it possesses formidable firepower capable of engaging both armored and soft targets with precision. Its turret also features a coaxial machine gun and a commander's remote weapon station, which can be armed with a machine gun or anti-tank guided missile launcher. The MQ-20 Predator Sea Avenger is an advanced unmanned aerial vehicle developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States Air Force. It is an upgraded version of the MQ-9 Reaper drone and is designed to operate in high-risk environments and conduct a range of missions. One of the key features of the MQ-20 Predator Sea Avenger is its stealth capabilities. It is designed to be low observable, meaning that it can operate in contested airspace without being detected by enemy radar systems. The Ripsaw M5 showcases a sleek and futuristic appearance, characterized by its low-profile angular design and aggressive stance. It features a rugged steel construction, built to withstand demanding terrains and harsh environments. The vehicle's compact size and high power-to-weight ratio contribute to its exceptional maneuverability and agility on both off-road and urban landscapes. In unmanned mode, it can be remotely controlled, allowing for safe and effective reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition. In manned mode, the vehicle provides a protected and ergonomic cabin for operators, equipped with advanced controls and situational awareness systems. The Puma Infantry Fighting Vehicle is a state-of-the-art armored vehicle developed by the German companies Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann, KMW, and Rheinmetall. One of the key features of the Puma is its advanced protection system. The vehicle incorporates modular composite and ceramic armor, providing high levels of ballistic and mine protection. The Puma's armor is designed to withstand a range of threats, including anti-tank missiles and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The vehicle also features an active protection system that detects and intercepts incoming projectiles, further enhancing its survivability on the battlefield. The V-280 Valor is an advanced tilt-rotor aircraft developed by Bell Textron in collaboration with a team of aerospace industry partners. Designed to meet the needs of the U.S. Army's future vertical lift program, it represents a significant leap forward in vertical lift technology, offering enhanced speed, range, and agility compared to traditional helicopters. The V-280 Valor combines the vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and efficiency of a fixed-wing aircraft. The aircraft's spacious and configurable cabin can accommodate up to 14 personnel or a variety of mission-specific equipment and cargo. The Type 99 is a third-generation main battle tank that was designed and manufactured by the People's Republic of China. This tank features advanced armor protection, including composite and explosive reactive armor, which provides superior defense against all kinds of anti-tank weapons, including heat and APFSDS rounds. The tank also has an active protection system, which uses radar and other sensors to detect and intercept incoming missiles and rockets. With its superior armor, firepower, mobility, and communication capabilities, it is one of the most formidable tanks in the world and is a vital component of China's defense strategy. Milrem Robotics Type X robotic combat vehicle represents a significant advancement in military technology, combining the capabilities of unmanned systems with combat effectiveness. Developed by the Estonian defense company, Milrem Robotics, the Type X is designed to support and enhance the capabilities of armored units on the battlefield. The vehicle's advanced software algorithms and artificial intelligence capabilities enhance its ability to autonomously detect and classify threats, contributing to faster decision-making and response times. The UH-60L Blackhawk is a medium-lift utility helicopter that was designed and manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation. It is widely used by the United States Army and other military organizations around the world for a variety of missions, including troop transport, medical evacuation, and search and rescue operations. The helicopter's durability and versatility have made it one of the most widely used helicopters in the world. It has been used extensively in a variety of conflicts and operations, including the Gulf War, the war in Afghanistan, and the war in Iraq. Thank you for tuning in to our video on advanced military tech. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment with your thoughts on this fascinating topic.